Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install roof bars. I got a set of genuine ones, so you're going to need these codes. This one is for the rear and this one is for the front. So now let's get started to install them. So to install them, you have to put these clamps here in these holes, either here or here in the middle or here on this one, and as well on the other side to be secured and not worry about them falling. You put them in the hole there on the other side, and here are clamping to the rail. So like I said, you have to make sure that are on the hole here, clamp it's in position, and then you clamp it on this side. It's kind of hard to do it with just one hand. So this one is secure on the other side as well. So to put the caps, you're gonna have to put these two tabs here in these holes and then close it with the key. I'm gonna do this other side as well. Are all secure. Hope this video helps and see you on the next one.